Hey Cougars, this is logic problem number 1, answer key, so you can check your work and see how you did. Just remember, as we go through this, only one person can match up with one item. So let's read the problem and get started. Logic puzzle number 1. Jane, John, Justice, Jory, and Judy are making different observations in science class. You're trying to sort out who did what so you can present their information to the rest of class. Jane's lab observations involved taking a measurement and writing down numbers. John and Justice made the same kind of observations. 3 quantitative measurements were made, but only Jory's measurement had no units. Jane forgot to give her measurement numbers to the group, but she made the same kind of measurement as Jory and Judy. John's observation of the plant was it was short. So let's take a look at this table. So I got Jane, John, Jory, Judy, and Justice. Qualitative, quantitative, 10 seconds, tall, and 5. So Jane's lab observations involved taking a measurement and writing down numbers. So that's numbers is quantitative, so it's got to be this one, or this one. Can't be either one of those. So we can actually mark an X for, can't be that, because that's not a number. That's not a number. John and Justice made the same kind of observations. So John and Justice made the same kind of observation. Interesting. I'm not sure what to do with that. Let's keep going. 3 quantitative measurements were made, but only Jory's measurement had no units. So Jory made the one over here that, see, that's a number, so that's quantitative, but he didn't put his units down. But when we put a check, that rules out everybody else from having that match. So we got to mark all of those as X's. Can't have those things. So Jory did not have these things. Okay. Next. Jane forgot to give her measurement number to the group, but she made the same kind of measurement as Jory and Judy. So Jory had a number, which means Judy had the other number. Okay. And Jane didn't write her number down, but she did make one with a number. So that rules out all of those. And we mark a cross, because once we put a check, the row and column cannot be duplicated anywhere. Okay, wow, looking really nice. So next, John's observation of the plant was it was short. So John did not make an observation that was tall. So that means he goes with qualitative, and that means that if we cross out our crosses, that leaves Justice is the one who made the tall measurement. So you go down to the box. I'm not going to scroll my screen because of how I'm writing this, but we would say Jane made the quantitative measurement, John made the qualitative, Jory made the 5, and then Judy made the observation at 10 seconds, and then Justice made the observation of tall. Please share with us if you worked the problem a different way. It's exciting because there's different ways to work through this and think through it, but that is the answers that you're expecting you to get. All righty, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.